Do you notice vertical lines running along your fingernails? Our nails can reveal a surprising amount about our overall health and can offer valuable insight into what may be happening inside the body. Many individuals live under constant stress, which over time can trigger chemical and physical changes within the brain and nervous system. Prolonged stress may eventually result in nerve damage. And as this imbalance progresses, it can begin to show up through physical symptoms such as anxiety, ringing in the ears, vertical nail ridges, and various other concerns. Beneath each nail are sensitive nerve endings, and these areas are often among the first to be affected when something is not functioning correctly inside the body. When your nails appear pink, smooth, and even, this is generally a strong sign that your nervous system is healthy and operating efficiently. However, when the nervous system becomes overwhelmed or depleted, vertical ridges may start forming from the tip of the nail all the way down to the cuticle. This pattern often points to a deficiency in essential B vitamins, especially vitamin B12, when the body is under stress or when a person consumes large amounts of refined and processed foods. Vitamin B12 and other B vitamins can quickly become depleted. This deficiency may lead to a type of iron deficiency anemia, meaning the body is unable to deliver proper nutrients to the nail bed. As a result, vertical ridges begin to develop across the fingernails. Treatment options. Now let us explore 6 natural remedies that can help correct vertical ridges and encourage your nails to grow back strong and healthy. Remedy 1. Nutritional yeast remedy. 1. Nutritional yeast. Individuals with vertical nail ridges often experience high stress levels and feelings of anxiety. Consuming 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast daily can help calm nervous tension and support emotional balance. This food is rich in B vitamins, which play a vital role in repairing and regenerating the nerves connected to the nails. Remedy 2. Eat shellfish. Remedy 2. Eat shellfish. Aim to eat shellfish at least 3 times per week, including mussels, crab, shrimp, cockles, and clams. These foods are excellent sources of vitamin B12, along with essential minerals. They help replenish nutrients that repair the nervous system and address the root cause of vertical nail ridges. Remedy 3. Stop taking antacids. Remedy 3. Stop taking antacids. If you currently use antacid medications or proton pump inhibitors, these drugs may be contributing to low levels of vitamin B12, iron, and other key nutrients. They work by reducing stomach acid, which is necessary for proper nutrient absorption. Instead, consider using apple cider vinegar as a natural alternative to help restore stomach acidity and improve B vitamin absorption. Remedy 4. Methylcobalamin remedy. 4. Methylcobalamin. If you follow a vegan or plant-based lifestyle, you may be lacking vitamin B12, since it is found primarily in animal foods. Supplementing with B12 in the methylcobalamin form can significantly support nervous system repair and help reverse vertical ridges on the nails. Remedy 5. Coconut oil. Remedy 5. Coconut oil for improving the appearance of the nail surface. Gently buff the nails using an emery board and apply coconut oil regularly. This helps moisturize, protect, and nourish the nail, making it look smoother, stronger, and healthier. Remedy 6. Eat wild-caught salmon. Remedy 6. Eat wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon is one of the best foods for restoring nail health. It contains abundant omega-3, fatty acids, vitamin B12, and other critical nutrients. Eating it frequently, while reducing refined carbohydrates and sugars, can help boost B vitamin levels and support nerve and nail recovery. Conclusion. As you can see, nail ridges are not simply a normal sign of aging, but are commonly caused by deficiencies in B vitamins and iron. If you only notice 1 or 2 ridges, this may signal a need for additional heme iron obtained from red meat or other animal-based sources. We also recommend engaging in daily physical activity for at least 5 minutes per day. This increases blood circulation throughout the body, allowing nutrients to reach the tissues that need them most. This is especially helpful for individuals dealing with peripheral vascular disease. Remember, your nails provide powerful clues about your internal health. We will be sharing many more signs related to vitamin deficiencies in upcoming videos to continue learning about the human body, proper nutrition, and natural remedies. Please explore our other content. Thank you very much for listening. Your support through likes is always appreciated. and be sure to subscribe and tap the bell for more health-focused videos. I wish you lasting health, wealth, and happiness.